Jane and Carlos. Using these and those with Jane and Carlos.
Hi, my name is Carlos and these are my pets. These animals live in my house. Today is a sunny day. I want to walk to those trees over there. Those trees are excellent places where to rest. A picture with these trees behind me is a good idea. Look! Jane is coming over there. She is with those red shoes. Hi Jane, isn't this a wonderful day?
Yes, it is.
Five minutes later.
Great. Those children are playing. It is time for us to run.
Okay. Good idea. Let's go.
"30 minutes later.
I'm happy after all. Did you see? I don't play these sports. I like to run and I like cold tea for sure.
Carlos likes the park. But I like the mountains. Those places, far my house, are my favorite.
Developing Tiago students' reading skills, written by Demos Valera.
Do you want more videos? Please, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
¿Quieren más videos como esto? Suscríbete a nuestro canal en YouTube.